Hey guys, it's Melissa here with Rooted Home and Garden. Today I actually was outside looking at my rose that I just bought and something's wrong with it. It's terrible. I think it has a disease and we are going to assess it and look at it. All right, so this is my chicken garden. I've got my Eden climber climbing up on the chicken coop, and doesn't that look so pretty? It's doing so well. I transplanted this plant last spring from a different location in my yard. I've actually had this plant for many years, but I wanted it over here when I put in this chicken coop, and I absolutely love it growing up, and I think it looks so pretty. But I wanted to interplant it with the new rose that I just purchased. This one is called Laguna Climbing Rose. It's so fragrant, you guys. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. And so I purchased this about a week and a half ago. Haven't planted it yet. I was going to plant it today, but then look at this. Look at this. It is now covered in these spots. So I Google searched it, and it looks like it's probably a rust, which can spread. So what we are going to do today is we are actually going to chop it all the way down, and I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that will take care of the problem. I'm going to immediately put it into the trash can because I do not want this in my yard, and I especially don't want it spreading to my Eden climber. So we're going to just tackle this, get this out of here, because I mean, look at this. This is all the new growth and it's dried up. Look at that. Oh, what the heck? I may have to take this back to the nursery and say, look at what you've done. You've sold me something that's just not healthy. Oh, what a shame. All right, so I'm gonna get my clippers, I'm gonna get a bag, and I'm just gonna throw all of this away. All right, this is not going to kill the plant, so don't worry about that. So we can absolutely cut this down, cut this back, and it'll be fine. What we're trying to avoid is it spreading to other areas of my garden. We want to tackle this now. All right, so I got all of the infected stuff into this bag. I'm gonna take it out right now, throw it away, because I don't even want this sitting in my yard for very long. And I did, I cut this thing back to practically an inch of its life. I got all of the spots that were on the stem. Let's see if I can find a stem with the spots. Oh, here's some right there. All right, look at that. Can you see that? There we go. All those spots over there, that's classic rust right there. These leaves right here, that's classic rust. We just need to get rid of this completely. Got it in there. I'm going to sanitize my clippers because, like I said, I do not want this spreading anywhere else. I did trim this back. I actually could have gone a lot farther, but I'm hoping I actually got it all. And we'll see how it goes. We're going to monitor this thing really well and just really hope for the best that it doesn't actually spread anymore, that we got the infected stuff off. So hopefully that part is good. Now it's been a couple weeks and I wanted to show you the plant. It looks so much better. It is absolutely rebounded from its disease. Looks healthy. Oh, new growth everywhere. So that's very good.